I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. Trish, what are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Alright. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one, and I got my helper with me today, Trisk. And if you can see behind us, what I got is I got the RSX. So this pretty much is getting prepped and it's getting painted. I already took off the bug deflector that was on the front. So the only thing I'm gonna do to prep this for the paint is I got the bondo out right there, and I'm gonna fix this hole. But just the hole. And yeah, I got a flat tire and this, because that's a hole. So that's all I gotta do. Then we're gonna mask it up and we're gonna paint it. And I don't know if I told you the color reveal, but I'm not gonna reveal it now, because if I told you before in other videos, it was a hint and you were supposed to pay attention. Trish,
What?
let's get to work.
Alright.
Trish already bitching about it being cold.
Don't swear on TV.
And she already don't know what the heck we're doing.
We're painting, we're covering this.
No, we're not.
Oh, what are we doing?
Well, actually, if you want to do that, we'll do that, and I'm gonna fix the hole. I'm wearing my latex gloves because you don't want to get this shit on your hands. This right here is my go-to body performance tape that's easier than and cheaper than welding. So you just wrap this right in there. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's solid. I mean, we're gonna have to add a little bit of the old skilly-badoo bop to it, but. So I mean, the only thing left that I gotta do to this is just smear a little bit of bondo over it, and we're good to go for that. So I'm gonna do that. Just gonna mask it off, and then I open my bondo can to find out this. None left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and scrape out as much as
You should roll up your sweater.
Oh really?
Well, yeah.
I guess so they can see all my tattoos.
Or your pasty arm.
Why?
Because you don't have any tattoos.
Should I get a bunch of tattoos?
Yeah.
Like a sleeve?
You should get a tattoo of my name on you.
Why?
Because that's the in thing that kids are doing nowadays.
What, trap kids?
Yeah.
Doesn't, and this is my mixing board.
A license plate?
Well, a plate. I don't know if it's a license or not, but definitely not enough. So, this is going straight to the garbage. And I'll get us another tub real quick. 1 sec. And when you do as much body work as I do, up here in Canada with the rust, you always gotta get yourself a nice big gallon of it. Oh, that's the best sound. You hear that suction sound? That's my favorite sound. Don't drop
Wouldn't that suck if I dropped it in there?
Well, I was just about to say, don't drop my camera in there, because you're famous for that.
No, I'm not.
Dropping my camera and freaking body film stuff? Oh yeah, yeah.
No.
Alright, so I'm gonna use my mixer. They call this a makeshift mixer, because you gotta mix the old twilly with the willy. No homo, guys. And now I'm actually gonna use this as my my scooper duper. I know what you guys are thinking right now. What the heck is he doing? Oh, I slung it on my pants.
That's why you shouldn't wear nice clothes when you're working on the car.
What should I do?
Go change.
Okay, be right back, guys. Oh, got that off real easy. precision. Gotta get it off my knee pad now. Precision. You just gotta make sure that it's nice and mixed. There's no method to it. I mean, professionals will say, oh, you gotta use the lapping method and all this method. No, you don't. Just make sure she's mixed. Make sure she's not gray. So let's get to spreading this, guys. I think I made way too much here, but it's okay. Now I gotta be really good with this, guys, because I'm simply not going to be sanding this. Okay, that's probably good enough.
You got a bunch right there.
I know. Wow. I made way too much, guys. There. Boom. That's how you do. Come take a look at this. We're done. I know, it's not pretty, but when I paint over it, it's gonna look good. So now, all we have left to do is I'm gonna clean up that little bit of mess there, and we're gonna get to taping this. Everything else you see, I'm leaving. That crack headlights stay in there. And this rust here, staying. This is staying. And if you guys looked at my delete video, it turned gold from being black. And Trish has just been really annoying to me and dancing and ignoring me and not having fun.
I've been listening to you. I can dance and listen to you.
Okay, so you're dancing and listening. So pretty much all I did with this was dust it. I dusted it, and now we're gonna mask this beast off. That's how you prep it for a good paint job. And I know, take some time, sand it and all that stuff for the body fill, but I don't want it because this car is gonna be glad to get at least that hole fixed, right Trish? Yeah, now she's still ignoring me.
I'm listening.
All right, I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna tape this up with a old-fashioned time-lapse-aroo. So, geez, it's been, well, Trish went to bed because it's pretty late right now, and I just got done masking off all of it. So pretty much, I did the mud flaps, that's what that crappy stuff is there. I did the side skirts like this, and yeah, I'm painting these fender flares. The mirrors are done. Sunroof, the lights. I even did inside the grill. I'm painting, there's a little black trim like right here. That's all getting painted this mystery color. And yeah, pretty much that's everything. Let me show you the back here. Yeah, the bodywork is okay. The lights, I took off the badges, and I even taped up the plate light so that I don't get paint. Put a glove on the exhaust. So I don't want to bore you guys anymore. In the next video, you're gonna see me paint it. Yeah, we're gonna paint it, and then that's it. But thank you guys so much for watching.
Comment down below what color you think I'll be painting this. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.